Welcome to another Blender tutorial. In this video, I'll be explaining how to install Blender 3.1 to your Windows 10 device using Steam. For this, all you'll need is a Windows 10 PC and a Steam account. Start by opening Steam, going to the store and then scrolling to the search bar. Next, type Blender and select the first result that appears. Scroll down to where it says Use Blender and press the green box that says Free. If you wish to change your install location, you can do it here, and when you're done, press Next. Press the Downloads tab and you will be able to watch the progress of the installation. Once it's done, go into your library, find Blender and press play. You may now start 3D modeling, and yes, it is really that easy. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. If it helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any problems, leave a comment on the video and I'll help you when I get the chance.